wait.
It's a fun new one. So I know that you love to smooth your hair, and I know that you're used to smoothing your hair. So I'm gonna let you give it a try because I want you to see the difference. These are the clips that are gonna open it.
Okay.
You don't have to hold it shut when you're doing it.
That's nice.
We're gonna put the fan on because that's the cool air coming out.
Okay.
Help set it.
Awesome.
So I'll let you give it a try.
All right. So, put a little section here. I like it. Off.
So it's about 2 inches wide, an inch thick.
Great. Okay. Just push it.
Yep, to put it.
There you go. Up to the scalp.
Ooh, look how great you can get to the scalp.
Look how close I got to the scalp. I can never get to the scalp, and then I'm always fighting to hold it together, and oh my God, with one hand.
Right, so it's
right up to my scalp. I love
that.
Curly girls. Love that.
And when you get to the bottom, just bevel under if you want it to kind of rock like they do at salon. There you go.
Oh!
Okay.
Wow.
Fantastic.
That looks amazing. I love this thing.
So, but you can do waves too. So you can do curls, you can do waves. I'm just going to show you. Before we straighten this top section.
Okay.
Leave the smooth stuff out. Same thing, because it's just rough dry, you're still going to want to go into that root, right? To start smoothing. Wherever you want that wave to start, you do your spin. The more that you spin, the more curl. If you spin a half like I'm doing, it's going to be a little more of a wave.
I have always wanted to do that with a flat iron, but trying to spin it and hold it together.
Right. You just open, put it in, let go of the plates, and then do.
Wow.
Give it a try?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you decide if that's good section for you.
Let's go. Let's go like that.
Perfect.
Okay. So down to the root, and then.
Oops, it's not in all the way. There you go.
Down to the root.
Perfect.
And then let go and just spin.
There you go. However much wave you want.
I have never been able to do that, even when it was slightly curl. Oh my
Especially
goodness.
with a flat iron, right? It's so
with
different, but it's such a modern beachy wave instead of like a
this is not that barrel curl,
exactly.
Which is, you know, dated. I feel like I've got a sleek modern haircut. I want a sleek modern curl if I'm going to do curl. Get out of town.
All at one time. Like you didn't have to smooth it out and then put the curl in.
Yes, eliminating an entire step.
Look at how fast too.
And so fast.
Right down to the root, which I love that you're doing. And that cool air is cooling down so that that's not the excess heat.
Right.
Depleting the natural moisture. Good.
Oh my goodness. Look at the movement. It's so fun.
So if you want it looser, just don't spin as full. Exactly. See?
Oh, nice. But the fact that I just straightened my hair with this, and now I can go back in and put a wave in it is unheard of.
Watch this.
Get out. Yeah. I kind of want to flick out the bottom.
Oh, it's great for that. Go for it because it's going to glide right through. And perfect.
Oh, look. So cute. So cute and so modern. That's the thing. It's like
it allows you to do a lot of different things. It's just a matter of the flick of your wrist. Look how cute.